In my previous video tutorial, I've shown you on how to draft front and back bodies, but today I'm going to demonstrate on how to separate the back bodies from this pattern. But before doing that, please make a duplicate of this pattern because we will still be needing it in our succeeding tutorials regarding patterns. Without further ado, let's get started. For the tools needed in this demonstration, we have the pattern paper to put underneath this one where we are going to transfer the marks, and then the tracing wheel, and then the cutting mat is green, but if you don't have at home, it's okay, and pair of scissors for paper, the pen, the red and black, and then the ruler. We have 3 steps in doing this demo. Then the first one is we are going to trace all the marks for the back, including basic lines. So we're going to follow the back marks here, around here. Okay, we're going to trace it. Trace all the back marks. Okay. All back marks will be traced. Then this one. We'll put it here. Going to follow all the back marks. This one, this straight is for the back. And the figure in this part. And the center fold. Then the dart, same size. Then after tracing it, remove this pattern on top. Okay, I'll remove it, and I'm going to mark it now. Mark all the basic lines. We have here the basic line. Okay. Next, we're going to mark the final marks on the pattern. We have to trace this one to follow this mark here. This is center point. Dart. going to separate the back, or the front I should say. The same procedure. We're going to follow this one also. Then here, the hemline. So this is the step number 2, the marking. Then after marking all the traced part, you're going to cut along the line. As you can see here, I didn't add seam allowance. Only the hem with allowance. This part, this is the center hole. This is now your back. If you want to separate the front also, you're going to trace the front mark. Okay, same thing. So this is now our back. See? Now you've seen on how to draft front and back bodice and how to separate the back bodice from the pattern. And I encourage everyone to practice many times in drafting patterns with different measurements, and I am sure that you will enjoy learning. So hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. In my next tutorial, I'll be teaching on how to draft basic sleeve. Thank you for watching.